Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will show you how to cut a watermelon. So to cut a watermelon, let's put it on a cutting board, and I'm just going to cut it in half. Okay, so once you cut it in half, we'll work with one half at a time. So let's put this half on the cutting board, and I'll flip it over, and I'll cut it in half again. Okay. And now I will take this piece, flip it over, and cut it into slices. And now I will work with each slice. So let's cut off the green watermelon peel. And when we have the good red part, we just cube it. And I will put watermelon cubes in a bowl. So I will repeat with this slice. Take the slice and separate the green part from the red part. And cut the red part into cubes. And I will repeat this with this part of watermelon. So this was super easy, and I only cut half of watermelon. I still have the other half left. My bowl is full, so I will cut the other half later. For other easy recipes and cooking tutorials, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.